When you sleep, your blood pressure naturally drops, and so your heart is able to repair itself. Women don't sleep, so heart disease is the #1 killer. You see more women with Alzheimer's and dementia than men. You see more women with autoimmune diseases like MS and lupus and Hashimoto's than you see men. Women have more illness right now because we have a self-care issue in our culture. We glorify busyness. We glorify productivity. And as women, we are more receptive and we're made to be able to accomplish more by doing less. And there really needs to be more space in our society for women to use this feminine power. When I named this book Powerful Sleep, it wasn't so much that it was for powerful women, it's that all women are powerful. And it's time now for women to reclaim their power, and the best way they do that is with a good night's sleep.